PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers thorough HVAC inspection in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania, helping homeowners and businesses ensure their systems are operating safely and efficiently. Our experienced technicians carefully evaluate all components, including airflow, ductwork, filters, and system performance, to identify potential issues before they become costly problems. Regular HVAC inspections help improve energy efficiency, extend system lifespan, and maintain consistent indoor comfort. Whether you're preparing for seasonal changes or addressing performance concerns, our team provides detailed assessments and honest recommendations. Trust PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania for professional HVAC inspection services that keep your system running at its best. Call us today, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning, to learn more about our services. Are you looking for a HVAC inspection near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. How often should I schedule an HVAC inspection? It's recommended to schedule an HVAC inspection at least once or twice a year, ideally before heating and cooling seasons. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning offers routine HVAC inspections in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania to keep systems running smoothly. Is HVAC inspection necessary before buying a home? Yes, an HVAC inspection can reveal system condition and potential repair costs. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides detailed HVAC inspections in Glen Mills, Pennsylvania to support informed home buying decisions. What is your service office for HVAC inspection? Glen Mills, Pennsylvania. Our local HVAC inspection Glen Mills, Pennsylvania office has served Glen Mills, Pocopson, Chadds Ford, Garnet Valley, Boothwyn, Marcus Hook, Concordville, Kennett Square, Thornton, Chester Township, Crosslands, Village Green, Ogden, Aston Mills, Auburn, Mendenhall, Longwood, Pennsylvania. Where is your PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning located? We are located at 53 West Baltimore Pike, number 201, Glen Mills, Pennsylvania 19342. Our phone number is 610-424-6273. Visit our website, https://pjmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning services Glen Mills/